future together. Stay true.
Labor rights, hands in the air. Come on. Kentire.
I love you, Lord.
Let me see you wave that in 2016, when Andrew Holness became Prime Minister, Jamaica was a lost country. In 2025, we are proud of his achievement. And let's welcome Jamaica's Prime Minister, Party Leader, Dr. Andrew Michael. Labor rights.
Ready? Let's welcome the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Labor rights, we ready now. Labor rights, we ready now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Labor rights, we ready now.
You ready?
Labor rights, we ready now. Get the anthem ready now. Get the anthem ready. The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down. The river coming down, no bank to bank, it's coming down. Labor rights coming down, to bank, him coming down. Brother coming down, to bank, him coming down. Who was the champion? Who was the big man? Who run the island? Who got the best plan? Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the
Labor rights. Let's welcome officially to the platform leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Holness.
And justice is our everlasting song. Unity and progress will make our nation strong. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember Bustamante, he served you well. Stand up, Jamaicans, when you hear the bell.
Thank you. Thank you, Labor rights. Who are the big man? Who are the big man? Oi, oi. Labor rights. I have been in East Rural for the past couple of weeks. I was in this community yesterday walking with a member of parliament. And I want to tell you, I am feeling good. East Rural is looking good. So let us now welcome in our own backyard the member of parliament for this great constituency. Let's welcome none other than Juliet.
Juliet,
Holness!
away, so we know what we do. On election day, East Rural St. Andrew, seat of his stay, we not carry opposition officer. Every night Miss Holness a whole a reason with bro God. After now they get a youth to get more job, agriculture, education and youth program. And she now left out the farmer man. Then Father God, every night when me go my bed to sleep, you know we not be worry cause we have food to eat. Labour Party, you know what them a do it, and when it comes to crime we clean up the streets. Then Father God, you know see how she deal with bullshit.
Showers of blessings, Labour rights. Showers of blessings, Labour rights. Whoa, you look really, really good. I cannot believe so much Labour rights could hold in Kintyre. Labour rights from Garden Town. Labour rights from Garden Town. Let me hear you. Labour rights from Mavis Bank. Let me hear you. Labour rights from Bull Bay. Missing enough on the front. Let me hear you. From Albout. Somebody said Labour rights from Albout. So I see Labour rights from Mavis Bank. I see Labour rights from Garden Town. I see Labour rights from Bull Bay. I see Labour rights from Harbourview. Kintyre Labour rights. Let me welcome all my colleagues on the platform. Thank you very much for coming out and giving your support this evening. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. To all the Labour rights who are here in the Kintyre division, thank you for being here. Whether you come from or somewhere else in St. Andrew, or you come from St. Catherine, and I see 1 and 2 Labour rights came with Marissa from Trelawney. Thank you very much. No matter where you came from, you're looking good, you sound good, and you're ready for victory. So Labour rights, if some of you heard me last week, I started by saying that Jamaica is no longer a PMP experiment. Our deputy leader said it perfectly. 2016, when the Jamaica Labour Party took government, Michael Holness found a country that was on the brink of collapse in many ways. But guess what happened? When you know to lead, when you know to manage, when you have the best team, you see results. And we have, after 2 terms, seen achievement after achievement after achievement. When you talk about paying down debt, a lot of people don't quite get what it means to pay down debt. But think about it as you paying down your debt. When you pay down debt that had interest costs, it means that you don't have that chain of debt around your neck anymore. It also means that the money that you used to waste to spend and pay interest payments, you have those monies to spend on the people of Jamaica. I remember when I sat in Parliament for the first time and I hear Desmond McKenzie talking about the 7 billion them did owe JPS. And because of it, everywhere across Jamaica was in darkness. You remember it? It was $7 billion. I don't forget the figure. It baffled me. And in no time, for the first time ever, this Jamaica Labour Party-led government paid down that debt with JPS. So Labour rights, paying down those debts meant that running your country good like how some people know to run business good, paying down your debt
having less interest to pay. What did it do for us? It freed us up. I remember when I heard pothole free by 2003. I was wondering if it was 2023 now, then 2024, 2025, because at no time at all in those days that I see road work passing the highway. And now under this government, you see parochial roads are work on, agricultural roads are work on, main road are work on, road. Right here in the Kintyre division, the only road the MP responsible for is St. Joseph Road, Hope River Street. But this member of parliament has been able to work on all the roads that the council are responsible for. Aki Walk, down by Cosmos Muse, down by Mall Road, also Hope Flats. Don't remember the name Dirt Road no more, because Quarry no name Dirt Road no more. Quarry is now Quarry Flats and Quarry Heights and Mall Road. Now name, new name to come, because no Marl, no Dede, as a result of this Jamaica Labour Party led government. When I show third term is work. Labour rights. The monies that have been saved have been invested in health care. As the Minister Tufton hold up the book, I have 500 more that I will print for you. 500 more of this, so that you can go through and read what we are not able to say on a platform in one night's meeting. You have 250 achievements of this government in this book. And believe you me, the book couldn't hold, so they have to leave some of them out. Labour rights. When I say that the experiment is over, let's take a look at it. I'm in construction. In 2016, when I go up to the construction site, I would pass site after site after site. You remember one time I saw a whole heap of man stand up outside the site gate? Them a look work? You remember them time there? You can think back. You tell me how much site you pass now, and you see even one somebody outside stand up and look work. That is what it means when you have a good and caring government and you can move your unemployment rate down to 3.3%. Not even laborers you can find. That is unskilled workers. You can't even find unskilled workers to do work today. Labor rights, you think about it. And I'm going to use Kintyre as an example. When I come to Kintyre and I heard about the death of so many of my brothers and sisters across just every single person in Kintyre, if you ask them, they will be able to tell you, I am related to, or I am friends with someone who lost their lives right here in Kintyre. When you reduce crime and murders by 46%, you know what that means? If 200 more of us would have died, it means 100 more saved. You know what that means? Your sister, who probably would not have been here today, is here today. Janice, who would have passed, is with us. And that means everything to us as a government. So when you see a party that because of power, they make up their mind that they are not going to support things like state of emergency, they're not going to support Zozo until them realize that the Zozo come with black wall and with some road and with some money. They were not concerned that the Zozo save lives. They They were only concerned about what they could get for themselves out of these government programs. Labor rights, I have never seen in my whole heap of years any government being able to have a solidarity program that returned the $20,000 to 50,000 Jamaicans. Any government that could have run so many care programs returning money. I don't think we have ever heard anything other than foreign about tax back. When you pay tax and government take it back and give it back to you. We don't hear those things. And a government with a leader that has seen us through COVID and been able to say, let me give back to the people of Jamaica because we care for you is not normal. So labor rights, it is not a difficult decision to make. And I remember walking Hope Flats yesterday. There's Mama Mackenzie. You saw a little girl there, a young lady. She ran out with her passport because she never have her new ID. And I said to her, go and get your ID. She said, I was PMP. But these are the opportunities that I want for myself to grow and develop in this country. Spend the time and I spoke with her a little. You see, by the time I bust the corner heading down Hope Flats and reached that nice area where all I see was orange flag, my girl down there so with me too, you know, on her phone and TikTok, showing who come visit her today. And then she make a call to her auntie. And she said, Auntie, me choose Jamaica, me I choose the JLP for the third term. But you know when me bust out a laugh, when her auntie said, go away, me choose Jamaica and me switch, me and no PMP again. So, I am speaking to not only those of us who understood long ago that the Jamaica Labour Party is the party that genuinely cares, the party that grows the country, the party that builds on achievement after achievement. I am speaking to all Jamaicans, including the PMP who used to stifle them conscience. Don't stifle your conscience. You know what is good for Jamaica. You know what is good for your parish. You know what is good for your constituency. You know what is good for your division, your community, and your own family. Jamaicans, you know what is good for you. Make the right choice. When Dr. Andrew Michael Holness makes the decision to announce the date, do not think for a minute that what we have done, they can do. Them can't manage the work. Them can't manage the work. Because it's not everybody understand when you get elected, you must start work same time. Jah always working. Jah understand from day one that it is work and dedication and commitment to the people that returns you for a second term, for a third term, for a fourth term. And this Jamaica Labour Party is where Jah learned that. So labor rights on election day, you get up and you go out and you vote for the Jamaica Labour Party.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica.
I beg in 2 minutes. Let me tell you why I beg in 2 minutes. I know we're going to read this. However, let me give it to you. This is East Rural St. Andrew. Mount Fletcher Primary School Computer Lab, Clark Street Concrete Road, Bull Bay Block Factory Build, Dublin Castle Concrete Road and Asphalt Road, Mount Charles Deep Flooding Infrastructure, Savage Pen Concrete Road, Poppy into Hotlywell Highway, David Hill Concrete Road, Guava Ridge to Content, and then to Mount Lebanon, Road, Griffin Gully Bridge, yes, Bermuda Mount Road, Virgin Gully Bridge, replacement of that bridge, Dallas Castle Road, George River Bridge improvement, Mars Drive in Harborview, Scotland Heights, Clydesdale Water System, Content Gap to Top Mountain, Water System, Freetown, Cane River Road, Catchment and Water System, Jacks Hill Road, Maryland, Water System, yes, Dublin Castle, Water System, Claremont Road, Gardentown Road, Belclure Lodge, including the breakaway, Passion Gardens, major breakaways of Gardentown, Tone, Greenville, all being repaired by this member of parliament. Yes, source thousands of tablets, Flamstead Farm Road, several work done in Tower Hill Lime Tree. Yes, scholarships on top of scholarships. Pepper War dinners on top of Pepper War dinners. I don't want to hear them. When we introduced what was called Agri-Hope, this was hope for our farmers. The first time ever big strawberry project for the farmers and Chinese winter vegetable project for our farmers. We produce more Irish potato than anywhere in Jamaica because we invested in our farmers, for our young people, for our youth, chicken projects so they can come together and build their business and teach their business. Yes, Jackwood Water System, done. Industry Village breakaway, fix. Bridge from Penfield to Sugarloaf, 3 bridge needed. We promise that we will do 1 bridge a term. First bridge done, 2nd bridge done, 3rd bridge loading. So labor rights, when you hear the rumors and the foolish talk, don't spread it. You go out there, you find the information, and you go and preach the gospel of Jamaica and choosing Jamaica. We are the only party that will make Jamaica better and better. We are going forward. We want prosperity. We want a better Jamaica. We want to ensure that we can live, raise our families, and retire and relax here in peace. Labor rights. When Andrew Michael, Dr. Brogard Holness, call the next election, don't tell me that him win already. Come hear that. Don't tell me say we win already. The way to win is for everyone to get up on election morning. If rain fall, ignore it. If the sun hot, ignore it. Get up and get your ballot in the box. Put your ballot in the box for the Jamaica Labour Party. Showers of blessings, labor rights. Showers of blessings.
For better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. Choose Jamaica, choose JLP.
You know, labor rights, I want to tell you that there is nothing wrong with Jamaica. Jamaica is moving. The only thing that will be wrong for Jamaica is the PNP. And so tonight, Area Council 1 is showing to party leader where we stand. And we have said to him where we want. But only he knows. Labor rights, let's welcome now the Member of Parliament for West Central, St. Andrew, leader of the great Jamaica Labour Party, Prime Minister for 1 term, Prime Minister for 2 terms, Prime Minister for the 3rd term, Andrew Holness.
So our labor rights. So our labor rights.